This jumbo-sized cherry almond scone has a decadent buttery and creamy white chocolate crumb, bursting with cherries, inside a crisp, caramelized crust swimming in amaretto ganache glaze, and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. In a small bowl, mix 40 grams all-purpose flour, 20 grams almond flour, 10 grams sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then rub 20 grams cold butter into the flour to a coarse crumb and stir in 40 grams of frozen pitted cherries and 20 grams white chocolate chips. Gently mix in 40 grams cream until a shaggy damp dough develops. Shape the dough into a round disc and drop it into the middle of the skillet greased with butter and sanded with sugar. Score the top with a sharp knife to create an X that cuts halfway through the dough. Brush the top with a thin layer of cream and a dusting of brown sugar. Bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven until golden brown and cook through, about 20 minutes. To make the amaretto ganache glaze, heat 10 grams cream to near boiling and pour over 20 grams white chocolate chips. Leave for a minute to temper the chocolate through before stirring, then mix in 5 grams amaretto until smooth. Allow the scone to cool to room temperature, then release it from the skillet and pour the amaretto ganache glaze over top.